Hey everyone, Chelsea Johnson here, your creative business strategist and coach. And listen here, I'm so excited to come to you today. I want to ask you a question first. Number one, here it goes. Do you have a website, right? But all you're hearing is crickets. Number two, would you like more visitors to come to your website so you can gain more sales? Yeah, alrighty, sound good. Alrighty, number two. Well, I think I have something for you. It's our newest masterclass. It's 3 days and it's called Drive Traffic to Your Website. It starts September 21st through the 25th, 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. I had a little moment there. And it's going to be held on Zoom. For more information, you can visit our website right below at www.tcbstrategist.com, or you can give me a call at 242-466-9161. See you soon. Bye-bye.